Alright guys, so welcome back to our next video guys. So we are back at Dunn's. Alright, so guys, Dunn's is having a sale from the 22nd up until the 24th. So that means from Friday up until Sunday. Yeah, Sunday. So I will be walking right throughout the store from the ground up until the top floor, just to give you an idea of what kind of stuff Dunn's have to offer. So guys, you can link them. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch me walk right through the store so you can get an idea on what's going on. Alright everyone, so we are now on the second floor. Alright, so like I said before, we're gonna go through the whole entire floors, right? And we're just gonna show a few prices. Alright, so unfortunately I won't be able to show all of the prices, but at least you'll get an idea on what the prices look like in Dunn's. Alright, so let's just take a look at a few prices. Alright, so this one is for 14,900. So I'm betting all of these items are going to be on sale from the 22nd up until the 24th. So if you don't want to save some money and you can't miss the sale. Alright, so this one is for $17,250. Alright, not bad. Alright, I see a few more. Let me see what's going on right here. So 14,375. Alright, I like the design of the one here still. Alright, let's see this rounded one here. So 10,050. Alright, see them have a little sale going on this one. Nice. Alright, now like still in the Dunn's have a lot of good stuff in here now. I always like to come to Dunn's. This is actually my second time here. So them have sale on this one here. Nice, nice. Alright, I like the clear one. In the comment section, I like them clear one here. I kinda like them. You see the price, 45,000. Wow. I like the clear ones. $25,075. Clear one, them bad man. And this one, the one here, the one I like it. You see the price for it, 14,375. What? Alright. There must some good one in here, man. Definitely I see a few of them women I put in my bathroom. So, alright, so we see those. Alright, so we'll jump to something else. Alright, so these would be the, let me see. Oh, so the little foldable doors then they can put like as a closet door and stuff like that. Alright, so the price for that one. Another color there as well. You get the idea. Check out a few of the doors then. Nah, like still them door feel sturdy still in the people. Definitely. Price and not too bad still. Alright. So the locks them nice on it as well. The door them feel sturdy people, not tell them. And the locks them good as well. Need a couple of them lock there for real. Alright, so now I go check out the wall of the doors them. Just a show now and just check out a few. Like the color here. Alright. So I move on, so I keep it moving. Alright, so these would be the doors them will come with the frame them and stuff like that. Yeah, these are much sturdier than the regular doors. Locks them as well. I think it's a full package. 56,465. Alright, not bad. Yeah man, them doors kind of sturdier than the other ones then. Alright, plus they come with the frame and stuff like that. They put it in front. Let me see what else to check out. Let's see. Check around this side. Last time I came here, I don't remember seeing these doors here. I'm not sure. I don't want to close. Okay, I'll link them back. I see a couple more, but we're gonna check around the other side first, and then come back and check out the faucet them and the drainage. Let me see the price of the drainage. 10,000. Okay. So if you know you want like some different looking drainage thing, like otherwise from the rounded ones, you could get these $8,050. Alright. So you see the prices for them. Some of them are different size. Alright. 6,900. The one there. The one is for 8,050. Alright, so I'll check out a few of the faucet them. And hold on, let me see the price. 28,000. Okay. I don't like them color one here. I don't know how I feel about that one here. And the man seal as well. I don't know how I feel about the color of the one them still. Kind of like them. I'm not sure, right? Kind of iffy on them. But comment in the comment section, people. Alright, so we'll touch on a couple more, and then just gonna head around the other side. We're not stay too long on this floor because we have the other floors to touch. Right, so I might not be checking. Like I said, I won't be checking out all of the items and just gonna breeze through them. Alright, so check out a couple of these.
See, we was cool right before I hit your fence.
Shower enclosures.
When I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way you pay the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays the wish. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on the song.
Like
I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs. I write down my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no.
Just a go through and just breeze through them and check out the price. 79,000. Like that one is still smooth.
I can't let them take my soul.
Smooth, man.
Oh, I can't let them take my soul.
Check.
They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you to hate it. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. The picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a
nah, like them kind of changed opinion still from the last time I been here.
That's Dallas, Texas.
You know, it was much different the last time I came here.
He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12th gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. Ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post.
Alright,
There's
so
certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take
other
my soul.
stuff.
Nah, no.
Alright, so this is for 72,900. So this one doesn't slide, but it just open like a regular door. I like this one as well, along with the slider one. But I think I would prefer the sliding doors. And check out the price of this. Alright. They just have a few of these, so not that much. So these are the much heavy duty doors, right? Then we call real security doors, so you can tell it really heavy, and they lock them as well. So nobody can kick off your door with one of them. I'm telling you. This kind of remind me of the doors and would I normally use on like a panic room door, right? Because I lift them really and truly. It's very sturdy. See the price for this one. 190. So you see them very pricey. These are a real heavy duty door. So I guess they come as a system like with the door and the locks as well, smart locks. Alright. Not bad at all. So okay. Alright. This one's a little different than the other ones. I'm wondering if these would be on sale as well. This one has a blue light going. I like this one with the light. Alright, so all you see the one you and like it, I guess you'd put this as a, let me see, it's a shower glass, but it has some LED lights running right through it. Alright, so I'm just gonna breeze through this section. Run through. I don't remember seeing this the last time, so they did get a few more different ones, some new looking ones the last time. I always love these mirrors with the light on it. Alright, let me see where I go on for this one. Alright, the one in a plug in. Alright, something else. Alright, so I passed this one a few times. It seemed like it have some kind of sensor or something. So, you know, when you walk in, it probably just turns on. You know, time on, clock and everything. And you have $25,000 for that one. Yeah. Alright, let's check on a couple more around this section. As I said, people, I'm not going to spend that much time on the floors. Just gonna go through a few of them because I did a full video already. I did a full tour of this Dunn's already, right? So just checking it out to see what has changed since the passing of Hurricane Melissa. So I just wanted to see if okay, so the price went up. Like I said, I just wanted to see what has changed since the last time. Alright, so we're gonna check out this section. As I said, guys, you know I can't check out all of the prices, but I will try to check out as many as I can. Alright. So the price for this $78,800 for this chair. Alright, so that one I wanna feel nice too. See the price of that one here. $52,100. I wanna feel nice still, you know, people. Alright, them kind of chain one in my house. Nice material. So we're going for that one here. Alright. So they have different varieties of chairs. Let me see that one here. Accent sofa, $75,000. Now tell me if you like the kind of vibe you still. Alright, so price for this. Alright, so I'll check out a few of the beds then. Let's see if it has like a bedroom set. So this dresser. And this is the nightstand. So the price of the nightstand, 60,500. Alright, nice too. Alright. Bench. This is bed frame, $140,000 bed frame. This is that one. Smart Ottoman, $69,000. This. I have a huge space too. Wanna look nice, man. Alright, let me see. Now I really look for the one I come. I really see my price for you. Hold on, also the price right so. Alright, so this is for $135,000. Alright. And we have to check out the plants then. Alright, so this would be for $39,000. Alright, so we're gonna move on. It seems like a bedroom set, yeah. Alright, so let me check out the individual prices. $55,000 for this. Alright. $115,000 for this. And for the let me see this light, I'm saying light on this, $150,000 here. It's a wind bed room.
But he hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last
Ottoman box.
Working on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent.
One box of $69,000. Alright, so let's have a check out a few more and then let's move on to something else. Alright, so some more on this side.
Cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me sleeping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe. That's why I be going crazy. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road. Cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no.
I also know people that have Ottoman box, so you can come and check them more.
K got a drum, like murder and boom. Sending you verb, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see it and hate this. People I'm saying get what I'm painting. The picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seem real tragic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping. I just had to let him know. Ain't the end of time yet. I know, but it's getting close.
Definitely like that one here.
So you better guard your post.
Well, it feels sturdy and everything.
But I can't let him take my soul.
Check for the underneath.
Oh, I can't let him take my soul.
Alright. Wanna look decent still. See where I go on. 43,000. Wanna look good still. Alright, I think this is the last one I'm gonna check out for the section here. Alright, so I'm gonna move on to something else. Hold on, check out the last one here. Love them stylists too. See if I'm seeing a price on it. Right, this is for the dresser. Alright, so this is the dresser. See if I see the price for this one. I don't see the price for this one. Alright. Check it out. Hold on, see a price right there, so. Good. About drawers on the side of it, so. So, I'll go somewhere else now. Alright. Have some. I call this a sleeper. I wonder if someone can pull out on it. Oh, alright, so the bottom part you can pull out as well. I guess you can pull out into a little bed light. Alright, so weird term we can't even pull it out, but take a good look. Alright. Take a look at these, because you never know, enough people out there might be looking for something like this and they see it on the channel. So I try to check out as many stuff as I can, especially the unique looking stuff them. So I've gone on here, so I just can't look at nothing on it. Alright, so alright, look at the price of that, but $66,000 for this table. Alright, so we're gonna check out the price for the 3-seater sofa with Ottoman box. Luxury bags and feel nice. Alright, check out a couple of them here. Alright. Not the small one, please. The price. 85,500. Put that one over here, so I don't see any price for these people. Let's see. 130,275. So just have to check out a few more of them. And just, I just said move on to something else, but I can't really stay in one section. So, love seat, 135,000. This one, Alright, so the price of that one again? Alright, so 160,990 for this one. Yeah. So we're going to this. Alright, so this is for 301,500. Alright, so this would be a 6-seater. So, you see the price of this, I'm showing again, $470,000 for this. Alright, a sectional 2-piece. No, see, hold on. What's the price of it? Alright. This is for 143,750. Alright. Okay. It's 150,535. It's great though. Make it bigger. But if you don't want it smaller, you can get it smaller. If you want it bigger, okay. I look through that. So we're going for this one. 98,835. Alright. $301,185. This one can break down as well, so yeah, can break down. This is the part. So place a big still enough people, definitely. Been seeing this around lately, you know. Nice size. Bedded. Don't want to see the price for it. I don't know why I don't want to see the price for it. So wait. Not take that. Oh, this is the price, right? So there's a queen bed set, blue 5-piece set 404,685. Alright, so that is the price, right? Really look nice to people. Leave me a comment in the comment section, people. Because we know I've been seeing these around lately in different stores. Tell me if you like this, right? Out of this section, which one of the bedroom sets them I like best? Alright? This. Alright, so this dining room table set looks really nice. 6 chairs, right? So 6 chairs come with it. Check out the price, we? Oh. So the price is 331,200. 6 piece. It's L shape. Sweet. 203,000. King size bed. See the price of that one is 232,500. King size. Can I roll about 5 times on these people? It might not look that big on camera still, but I'm telling you, definitely people look big in person. Not so much of that dress over there. Just on there. Oh, I'm gonna put the angle. Oh, I'm gonna put it on the side. This is for 473,605. Hold on, $473,685. $190,000 for this 3-seater sofa. Let's just check out a few more stuff and just head to our next section. See what's going on the side here. Alright, but I don't see any prices. I won't really stay that long. See this? I see an next L shape over this side.
Alright, so we are now on the 3rd floor. I think this is one of my favorite floors in Dunn's. They have a lot of fancy stuff on this floor. Not saying the other stuff in the whole entire building is not fancy, but I prefer this floor the most. So just gonna walk around and check out a few of the prices on this floor. And then we head to the other sections on this floor, because this floor is very big. So let's check out a few of these prices. I definitely like these decors. Trust me, people. This, them here something here, and something you can spice up the whole entire house. Trust me. Can you imagine when it's sale? Oh my God, I get a couple of them here on the sale. Trust me. Right? Me that come here just to get a few of these. Alright, let me see what's going on here. See the prices. Alright, price too bad still. Pineapple on Jaja. You saw them look good, people. Come like me, I just want to buy everything right this year. Come make we just take a walk and see what else are going on here. Let's see which one to talk about. Because like I said, people can't see the price. I can't show you guys all the prices for all of them. I'll go through them still and show as much as I can. Alright. So like I said, the sale is going on from the 22nd up until the 24th, man. So you can forward, man, and see for yourself, man. You must can find something on here, man. Right? I know somebody must have an hype on something for the longest time. So the sale, you know, you can't get it, no, you know.
My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him
Price for this one, 6,500.
12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping. I just had to let him know. And the time's yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your
know somebody I see the video, I see you pick the one.
But I can't let him take my soul.
That's when I go through the most one them that say, yo, probably people that be more interested now. But not say you wouldn't be interested in all of the stuff. Everything in here can go in your house and look nice in your house. Right? So let's light down here. Definitely. Alright. You know, I always see them hands here in homes or in offices. $15,000 shoes. Yeah, man, this is like something we could have spiced for the place, man. Let's put a little tabletop in the corner or something like that. Yeah. Definitely. Check out the price. This. Alright. We're on. Check out a few of them. Black and a gold horse. 8,500. 5,000. 54,000. Wow. 54,000 for one of these. These 30 still. All of them something look nice, man. all of them. As I said, this is one of my favorite floors in Dunn's, right? And just the unique of the floor, love it. Look at these. $18,000 for one of these. I'm gonna put something like this now. 26,000. Wonder which one put something like this now. But them look nice still. And these, call them vase. Them will look nice as well. Alright, let's see where's the price. Where is the price? That is 12,900. Alright. Look good still. I like the gold and the white. Yeah, nice mixture. Find something nice in the house, put something like this. See the price for that 1 year. I want to drop it, man. 12,000. Alright. Like both of them, but I think I like the first one. And you know they have the artificial plants. 4,100 for one of these. Tell us them have a nice variety of stuff in here, people. Definitely can't miss the sale, man. Definitely can't miss the sale, man. Must get one of them somewhere. 13,700 for this. Alright, plants in here. Alright, so let's go through one. See what else we can check out like this. Alright. This. I always love to see this. Let me see the price sheet again. $75,000 for one of them, people. Alright. Definitely something that can spice up the house. So what else we can check? What else more unique and we can touch on? This look nice. See the price for this. $13,000 for one of these, people. I think never seen this now next door before. It's yeah, unique, man. But alright. What else? Best dad ever. Some little decoration can give pops. Father's Day. So I'm telling you, I couldn't touch on everything, people. This would have taken me the whole entire day just to go through all of the items and show the prices. Alright, see? I try to touch on everything. This is for 26,000. Wow. 26,000 for this artificial plant. $15,500 for that one. This one is on sale, right? I'll show you. It's the 37,880. What? So when you see people, when you can definitely get something on the sale. Let me see the price for this one. Yeah, 11,200 for that one. Alright, so let's touch on something else. So I'm just gonna finish off this section and then go to a different section. These definitely look nice. $12,000 for that. Nice. So them colorful people, can you imagine? Come like you want to buy everything. What's the price for this? $8,000 for that one. Alright. This. Let me see. This one is for 6,800 for that one. So what I would do, I would just buy a mixture of them, and like every now and then you kind of switch them out just to kind of change up everything. This one, 6,800 for this one. Wow, nice. I have a special place until I put something like this in my house. Alright, let me just run through something else. What else? What else we can touch on? So you have an idea of what's on the whole entire floor.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna head downstairs. So on this section it seems to have a lot of chairs and I see some beds, but not the adult kind of beds, for the children. So I'm gonna check out them after. So I'll check out the chairs them right now. Alright, so let's check out these chairs first, and I won't be able to check out all of them people, unfortunately. Sorry about that. But let's just check out a few of them and then head to the other section. Alright, so let's check the price out on this one. Alright. So let's skip past a couple of them. Kind of touch on the fancy looking one there. This 1,500. Alright, so I don't see any price for this one, so I can move on. This one. Alright. Alright, so see the next one here in a different color. Alright, let me see which other one we can check out before we move on to our next section. That one is nice. 75,900. Alright, so as you can see, there's a lot more chairs. I won't be able to check out all of them, so let's move on to something else.
See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed.
So we're going right.
God forgive me for all my sins.
Bar
I
shop.
can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays the wish. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah.
I probably have to push some stuff on this. Who know where they use this for? Kind of leave it in the comment section. Let me know what going.
Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone.
I think we kind of have an idea what they use this for still.
Let me know, cause it ain't the end of times yet.
Get the price for them.
Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul.
Alright. So I continue and just check out the prices on
but I promise I do it.
everything.
That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you vert, if I get my little
Okay,
Uzi.
so this is the price.
They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see it and hate this. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess.
Yeah.
If you on my way, you gon' need
Alright, so I see some little beds for some, that's a child, right? It's a child beds. No one has have a motor vehicle kind of bed style. So they have it in various different colors. I see red and black. Let's see if I see the prices on them.
These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let
Alright, that's
go,
all.
but I can't let them
Prices
take my
on the
soul.
red one.
No.
Alright, so
Oh, I can't let them take my
prices
soul.
on this one.
No.
Take a wide angle shot.
Take my soul.
So this is how it looks from an angle. Alright, so you have the red one. You also have the black one as well. So different styles, different colors. And this one, you see the price is for $75,000. Alright. And I also have some bunk bed. Check out the prices for the bunk bed then. Alright. Alright, so we have this style. Alright. Check out the price for this one. $194,000 for this style of bunk bed. Alright. Never you sleep on a bunk bed, you know. The next one over this side. Alright. Check out the price on this one. For $165,900. Alright, just to check out a few of them. Alright. One thing we done still in them have a lot of the artificial plants, you know. So much. Only for $6,000. Right? It's much for this one. 3,500. This one. Let's see the prices for this one. 3,600. Alright. Or some more plants on this side. So moving on, jump on to something else. Some carpet around this section. Check out the prices for them. What's the price for this one? Alright, so this is the price. So a few of them. Alright, so we are on the top floor. So So I see some chairs on this side. Alright, that one here for $125,000.
Alright, so let's head over this section and check out a few of the prices. And then after, we're gonna head down where the lights are. Just there's a lot of lights down in that section, right? So let's just take a look at what they have on this floor and check out a few prices and what has prices on them and see a few items without prices. Let's check out the price on this one. This one is at 19,900. Alright.
I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs. By writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of time yet. I know I was getting close. I need my space to breathe. That's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road. Cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 nah,
195,000.
Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul.
Feel good still.
Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. Sending you verb.
Can't really tell that these items are of quality, you know.
I'm gonna see it and hate it.
124,000. Yeah, these are of quality. Them feel good. I don't know who has never been to Dunn before. Trust me. Come down here. All of the items in the quality, right? So, because you see the price, you say, yo, them don't look good or whatever. Trust me, they are of quality, right? Quality supplement.
I just had to let them know it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul.
Baby, are you on the way? Home cut, cause it's getting late. I've been waiting all day for you to swing my way. You said you'd be right and it's after 3. I sent a text, maybe you didn't read. I know that liquor got you loose and things. You like the chance to get your hands on me. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency. Come urgently. My room is vacant, please. I need you lovingly. Let me go ahead and set the mood. Need your eyes on me like they're glued. And I usually be keeping cool, but I'm trying to really see it through. No clock, but I'm ticking. Am I shook? Am I tripping? Play it off, cause I'm getting everything that I'm missing. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency. Come urgently. My room is vacant, please. I need you lovingly. Oh, it's an emergency. I need them coming for me. I need them begging waiting for me. I need him down on his knee. I won't wait. I cannot stay. I need you on the way. You got 10 minutes, babe. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, come urgency. My room is vacant, please. I need you urgently. I want. on the way. Home cut cause it's getting late. I've been waiting all day for you to swing my way. You said you'd be right and it's after 3. I sent a text, maybe you didn't read. I know that liquor got you loose and things. You like the chance to get your hands on me. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, come urgently. me like they're glued. And I usually be keeping cool, but I'm trying to really see it through. No clock, but I'm ticking. Am I shook? Am I tripping? Play it off, cause I'm getting everything that I'm missing. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, come urgently. My room is vacant, please. I need you perfectly. Oh, it's an emergency. I need him coming for me. I need him begging for me. I need him down on his knee. I won't wait. I cannot stay. I need you on the way. You got 10 minutes, babe. You got 10 minutes, babe, to do what I say. If you wanna taste, it's an emergency, come urgency. My room is vacant, please. I need you perfectly.
I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit your fist, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. We sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called her body for a Maserati. He told him get up out the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul.
Alright, so guys, we are now at the light section. Alright guys, so let's check out a few of the lights. I won't be able to check out all of the lights, but I will try to check out as many as I can. Alright, so let's check out this one. Alright.
So the price of that one here. Alright. No lights still, you know. Dunn's have some really nice lights. Alright, let's keep it moving. So that one here. Alright, it's about $12,075. Alright, so let's try the next section. Alright, let's see where I'm going over the side here. Alright, kind of simple. This one, you see the price of that one here. 5,000. So this 37,000. I'll look at this one. So we're going for this $20,125. So guys, I'm gonna check out as many as I can. 12,000. But at least you get an idea of what kind of lights them have. Right? Check out the fancy looking ones and they look nice. Alright, let's move on to the next section. I like that style there. That looks nice too. I put something on it above your bathroom lights. I mean, it can go other space now, but I would see it in the bathroom above the mirror. Move on some different design and all. Well, for this, so we're going for that one. And it look good still. 15, yeah. You're definitely big, man. Definitely full of lights as well, people. Oh my God, ever. Comes like a never-ending place with the lights. And literally have a floor for itself with just the light alone, guys. Alright, so I take it these would be like outside lights. So the price for this one, $10,695. So I put outside your house. That's outside your door, right? And outside. Only 20,700. Alright. price of that one here. But look on that one, people. Look at this one. After sketch price for this one, it's $69,000. $69,800 for this one. That one definitely look nice. $58,650 for this. For this, $415,725. So much for the chandelier, people. Ceiling fixtures. Alright, so much for that one here. So $12,000. I float back on that one here. $415,000. Different looking one here, but similar to so much of that one here. $467,820. $66,000 to that one here. This is for $83,750. For the price of this one. $7,525. That one.
Alright, so this is just a quick look at the upstairs. This is where they'll be having a sale. Alright, so they'll just have a few stuff up here at the moment. On the sale days, trust me, up here will be packed with stuff. Alright, so not because you see them looking something here, you know, enough stuff I got up here. Alright, enough stuff here probably I from the longest time, and you know, when you come here, you can probably get it on sale. Alright, so this is it, guys. You know, it's a good look still, right? Like I said, there's a lot of stuff for me to see where it's gonna be on sale, right? You never know. So just forward, and see if you can get something you want. Alright everybody, so we've reached the end of the video. Alright, so I really hope you like this one. And remember guys, Dunn's is having a sale from the 22nd up until the 24th. Alright, so yeah, from Friday up until Sunday. So they will be having a sale on the upstairs section. So when you can forward, we know you must find something when I look for, you must see something when you like. Alright, so guys, do remember to like, comment, share, and put a like on the video guys, because it helps the videos to get out to more people. All right, so guys, until next time, peace.